Hi, I'm Michael from the Data Bytes. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to install PostgreSQL on a Windows laptop. So let's get to it. First of all, you'll need to go and download the media. The easiest way to find that media would be to just type in PostgreSQL on your Google search bar. Go over there and you'll see one of the first things that pops up is www.postgresql.org. So we're going to go there. You can go to download over here, and you're going to see a few different packages and installers, one for Linux, Mac, Windows, and some other stuff. We're going to use Windows, as I mentioned earlier. I've already got this, but you can download the installer. Once it's done, you can run that, and then you're going to have a setup wizard. It's going to look very similar to this. So we're going to go to next. This is going to show you the installation directory. We'll just go next off of that. I'm going to keep everything on here. This is going to be the primary database engine. This is going to be the GUI. This is going to be for downloading and installing additional tools, and this is for the command line tools. So we'll go next. All right, this is where we'll store our data. So where your data files will be. Excuse me. And you'll need to type in a password. This will be for your Postgres login. This is going to be your primary port. You're just going to keep that the same unless you want to change it. I'm going to keep that the same. I'm going to keep it on the default locale. And this is going to be the installation summary. You can go through and make sure that everything looks right. All right, we're just going to go next and next, and it's going to do the install. This should take a few minutes. All right, it's finished. And this is going to pop up. You're going to see the welcome to Stack Builder. You can go over here and next, and you should be able to see different things you can add on. I'm not going to install anything else for this video, so we'll just close that out. And you should be able to see some other things pop up, like Alright, so we're going to see PGAdmin pop up. We're going to see a few other things for there. You can see the SQL Shell. We'll start that one up, and we will start PGAdmin. The PGAdmin is going to be the graphical interface, and the shell is basically the SQL Shell. So let's pull those over. So it's going to show you the default server, which is localhost for my computer. Hit enter. Postgres is the default database that it allows you to go to. This is the default port and the default username. It's going to ask for the password, which I did earlier. Enter, and let's see, warning, console page differs from, and so here we are. This is the SQL Shell. You must do what you need to do in here. I don't have anything in there to play around with, so we'll look at the other one. It's going to look like this. This is PGAdmin. You can set up a master password. Alright. When you open it up, it's going to ask you to enter the password for the Postgres user, which is mainly the administration one. So we'll do that. Alright, we will save the password, which is something that you probably shouldn't do, but for demonstration purposes we will continue. You can see Postgres 15, the databases, only got one database, it should be Postgres. We've got the schemas in here, public, and your table spaces. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video right here, but hopefully you got something out of it. Anyways, if you like this, please like and subscribe.